Having a well-lit video is important for video conferencing because the viewers want to see you. Our computer cameras are great tools, but unfortunately, they struggle with image quality when they are not put in the perfect conditions. Hi, I'm Monroe of Mediamazing, and today we're going to go over some tips and tricks to get better lighting for your video conferencing calls. When setting up your video conference call, you should never have your main lighting source behind you. This is called backlighting. Your computer camera will make adjustments to the exposure based off this light, which will literally leave you in the dark. Instead, you should rearrange yourself so that the light source is in front of you. One of the easiest things you can do is place yourself in front of a window. If you find that the light is too bright, try to diffuse it by placing a sheer curtain or sheet over the window. This will cut down the light and soften the shadows. If you don't have a window that you can be in front of, try placing a light source behind your computer screen. One do-it-yourself solution is placing a lamp directly behind your computer. This will cause a nice glow around your face, and you can use the shade to help with diffusion. A second do-it-yourself solution is to buy an LED strip and place it around your computer monitor. Finally, you can always buy a light to attach to the top of your computer, such as a ring light. I hope you find these tips useful for your next video conference call. For more tips on video conferencing, click the link above.